friends, welcome to yet another coolest series of With So this is Vidya with Mani. So friends, as you can see that I'm standing in a very nice place, and by coolest I'm referring to the month. Yeah, so you can just understand which month I'm referring to. The coolest month of the year is like December. So December is really a special month for every one of us. It is a month which has a lot of celebrations, fun, and we'll be winding up all our work soon so that we can have some good fun and we can close our year with a good and a special note. So we are also have a plan like that. Like we had searched so many places where we can visit and we can really rock. So we have choose this place, and this place is called as Wayanad, which is in Kerala. So this place is really something special. I have not visited Wayanad till now. It's really a beautiful place. It is well known for its nature, forest areas, and it has many good waterfalls, which is really different from what we see in our daily life or nearby places where we live. So when I came here, this place just amazed me. It is such a beauty and such a thrilling one that I just really loved this place. So we will be showing you we'll be exploring this place and we'll be showing it to you. So I'm sure that you will also will like it, and you will also be happy to see our video. Have here a lot of resorts, very good stays. Also, this place is very known for its adventurous spot. So we have gone through all those spots and we have choose a very real and very different stay that we had picked. So it was really nice. We had just came in yesterday from Thrissur. It was around 200 kilometers, so we had a good driving and we came over here. After coming here, I felt more happy that by seeing this place here. So we have reached here and we have checked in Alampleri estate, which is really nice, which is really inside like you can see the area is fully covered with so many of flora species, and it is really thick. It's like a thick forest only, but it's not a forest, it's an estate, which I really loved. And we are also taking part in an event which is taking place over here. It is a couple event which is conducted by Coronata Holidays. So it was really nice. We have taken part. So we will give you a glimpse of all the activities that we had taken part yesterday, which was really nice. It was really rocking, and we really enjoyed the time that event. So friends, just go through it. I'm sure that you will enjoy it.
മഴയറിഞ്ഞിൽ ഇരവറിഞ്ഞിൽ അകമഴിഞ്ഞോ നമ്മൾ തമ്മിൽ ആരാധികേ മുന്നോതിരം വഴിയരികെ കാലിമേയുന്ന പൊന്നാനിക്കാട്ടിൽ കണ്ണിമാങ്ങ കടിച്ചു നടക്കാം, കാറ്റിൻ പാദസരങ്ങൾ കേൾക്കാം, കുഞ്ഞടി
ഹാപ്പി ബർത്ത്ഡേ. തോൾകളിൽ ഇടം തരാമോ ഞാൻ വാഴ്മുടി നെഞ്ചിലാകെ അനുരാഗ കരിക്കിൻ
ഒരേ നില ഒരേ വെയിൽ ഒന്നായി നാം ഉൾമൊഴി ഒന്നായി നാം
this is the entrance to the Elimbleri estate where we had booked our stay, and this event is conducted by Coronato team, as I mentioned. All the facilities are arranged by the team over here. So you can see the place, which is really beautiful. The water over here is really clean, clear and very natural, that I don't think that we'll be able to see like this water near our place. So it was really nice. When walking only, we were feeling like very refreshed and everything. So just loving the walk over here. So friends, to take part in this event, first we need to come to Mepadi. From there we have to contact the team and they will give us the details to come to the car parking area. So we have to come there, park our car or vehicle that we have come, and from there we have to come through their jeep, as the car and other vehicles are not like we cannot bring it over here as it's the off-road ride. So we'll have to come through their jeep and we'll have to come here. So we have came here yesterday. Really nice to just come here and to explore all the places, and it was really a different experience that we had. So our stay place is there. So first we have to come here and we have to go to the reception as well as cafeteria area. So we have to go there and have our refreshment. So we had our refreshment yesterday. So after having refreshment, they'll be allocating the tent or room accordingly as we choose in our when we had reserved for this event. So we had reserved for a tent. So we'll be getting our tent accordingly. So after getting, we'll have to just put our things, get settled and get refreshed if required, and after that we'll be going for the river bathing. So river bathing was really nice. The water over there was very clean, clear and very natural. It was really cool to have, and that water made me so much relaxed and so much refreshed that I really loved it. So after that we'll be coming back here again and having our evening snack and tea. After having the evening snack and tea, the events will be starting. So we'll have to get ready for the event. There are over 15 couples who have participated in this event. So in the starting of the event, it was the introduction section where each of the couple had introduced to the audience that what all are their backgrounds. We also introduced ourselves and it was really nice. We got to know about each other, that who are taking part in this event. So after this event, we had good song section. We had a musician sing us a very good song for us. Not one song, many songs he had sung, and it was really beautiful to hear. Very melodious and very nice. So we enjoyed the music over here. And after that, we had the campfire section when it was a little dark. So it was really nice to sit in. It was really cold after like when we came, it was not that cold or something. So we thought, okay, it was fine. But in the evening, it started to get more colder. So we had the campfire section, which was really helpful for getting little warmth. So we had enjoyed the campfire section. In that we had so many games, like we had Antakshari, we had good DJ section. So we really enjoyed the time over here in the night. So after this we like wrapped up the section at around 11, and then we went to our tent or our rooms and we had a good sleep. So we will be showing our tent and other areas over here now. So friends, for staying, we have choose the tent facilities. So you can see the tent facilities over here. So this is our tent. So you can see how nice it is. So we have got to sleep. We have got our sleeping bag. So which can be used as a sleeping bag as well as a good blanket if you are opening the zip. So you can see the various tents over here, which is really nice. So if you are very adventurous, you want to try out this, then you can have this facility, which is really nice and really different. In the second day, they'll be taking us in the morning to the trekking. So you can see there we'll be going trekking over there, which is really nice, adventurous and exciting. here. The view is just beautiful. I could see an amazing waterfall. Also, there is little more top, but I'm not sure that we can go over there or not. It's looking very foresty and everything. So it's really nice. There are two bridges actually. One is like that one. This is like a standard one, and this is a hanging bridge. A person from here, he has said us that bridge is constructed so that jeep can go up. On the top there is a resort. So I was just thinking how they build resort and how creative ideas they bring for the travelers. Yeah, so it will be just so amazing to live on the top and to see all this beauty of the nature. And like I'm thinking now, like the nature is so beautiful. Just that what we think is very limited. We have more to explore, more things to go, and a great way to get. So friends, just enjoying the time over here. So friends, this is the reception as well as cafeteria area. So here you have to come here and you have to check in. Also the dinner, the breakfast we will be getting here. So we have to come here, have our dinner, breakfast and other snack items that we will be getting. Also here there are so many indoor games included, like you can just come here and check in. Hi friends, so we have got introduced to a great couple over here. They are very good, very friendly people. They are little senior than us, but they are really friendly. Like they love traveling a lot. So we can just ask them their experience, how they love traveling and how they like things to explore over here. So friends, just come in.
Yeah, I am Sri Raman and she's my partner, Meena Kumari.
Hi.
And from 2008 onwards, we have started our journey. It was quite unfortunate. The starting is very little bit problem because I got an accident while working in a factory. I fallen down around 10 to 15 feet from top and I got a back injury. So afterwards my hands and legs paralyzed. So for going that operation, on table only I realized that whatever I had achieved is nothing. So if I am getting a life later, definitely I will enjoy it. And I will see whole world with my eyes. That was our ambition. And by grace of God, we made it. Now, approximately more than 40 countries we traveled, including USA, Canada, Europe around 15 countries, then Mauritius, Tashkent, Samarkand, Uzbek, Gulf countries like Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Dubai, and frequently we go for Dubai Fest also. Then if you go to the eastern side, there is China, Hong Kong, Macau, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, then Bali, Indonesia. 2-3 times we went to Indonesia in different area. Then Australia, maybe I think we went around 10 times. Then we enjoyed it. And I'll give you a message for the youngsters. Actually, it is the message for the youngsters above 50. Whatever you are earning, you should spend it. And whatever the excess you are keeping in bank or by property or some other way, it's a waste of your work. If you are working, you should get something output. Like that, if you earn money and one day you will think, okay, I will get a disease and I will get some chronic disease and all these things. I want money for that thing, this thing. No, everything is useless. If once any disease comes, just like me, finished. So be careful, earn money, enjoy life by seeing whole world. And I will advise people, and I will give my wish. Everybody must travel more than me and challenge us. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Uncle. It was really a great motivation for all the travelers. Like, we all love traveling a lot, and we always think of traveling, but we'll be thinking like whether we'll be spending money, whether it will be a waste of time, a waste of money, a waste of time and money. But this was a really great speech by this uncle. So he had shared us their experience and how it's nice to enjoy the life than to think all of the risks that we have. So it was really great. We really thank them for this, and they have joined for this event. It was really nice that their presence only gave us a very good inspiration to us. So it was really nice. So friends, after the reception cum cafeteria, we have the way. Like when we are walking through the way, we can see a great waterfall. So yeah, the water flow is flowing, and there are so many huge rocks. So which is this place is really scenic beauty, very nice, very beautiful to see. Also we can see on the top there are few tents just facing towards the waterfall. So just let's go there and explore over there. It's really looking very nice. Come guys. On the way to top, you can see all scenic beauties over there. So the nature is really beautiful over here. So when we are going on the top, you can see this is the washroom area. In the front, you can see there is two rooms available. If you are not comfortable in staying in tent, you can avail this facility according to the availability. So behind that, it is a washroom. So it's not like you can't expect all luxury, but it is a simple bathroom for just getting up freshed up. As you know that this is an adventurous place, you can't expect something luxury or something. So you have to be in that adventure spirit to enjoy all this. So friends, we have come up to an end with this event. So it was really great. We really enjoyed the time that we had here. Also the people over here, they were very friendly, very supportive. Any doubt we have, we can ask them without any hesitation. So that was really cool, and we had got to explore more of places and more of things, and we have got introduced with many people. We have got good contacts, which is really nice. So here we have now with us the Coronata team members. So let's ask them that how they are enjoying their events and what are their future like assignments. Let know we can also take part, and it will be more interesting, right? Yeah, so let's ask them.
Hi friends, we are from Coronata Holidays, Calicut. Actually we are established in 2017. We are conducting a lot of tour and travel programs and special events such as like trekking, homestay, tent stay. A lot of events we are conducting. Our upcoming program is one of the major event is our New Year program, and more details will be said by Ms. Anina.
Hi, we are from Corona, as she said, and we have been conducting tours all around India, and yes, the next upcoming and exciting event is of the New Year. It is being conducted at Wayanad, Alleppey Houseboat, and at Munnar. And another one of the important event is the sheep camping, which will be very interesting for all the ladies around Kerala and outside Kerala. Please join us for the sheep camping on January 16th, and please do contact us through our Instagram page and FB page, Coronata Holidays.
Yeah, of course. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy guys with Coronata Holidays.
Enjoy.
So friends, we really had a great stay and great event over here. So it was really nice. We enjoyed a lot. Also, we could explore more here. Wayanad, I just loved Wayanad. The place is such a beauty that I don't have words to say. Also, the people over here, like many people have come from different districts, got introduced to all. So yeah, I think traveling is such an advantage to us. We'll get to know more of people, more of the places. I think like they all used to say about the nature, but I think when we come and we when we see it only, we understand that what nature is and what beauty it adds to us. So with lot of memories from here, will be concluding our series. So friends, if you liked our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and to click on the bell icon to get the notification of our future videos. So see you in our next series. Till that, take care of yourself and don't forget to enjoy your life. This is Vidya signing off with Mani. Bye.